Hi, I am Bashir Nazar. I help companies get clients on LinkedIn. I am also LinkedIn trainer and coach. Today we will discuss about a LinkedIn recommendation. How to request recommendation on LinkedIn or ask for a recommendation on LinkedIn from your friends, from your clients or from your boss. So you just need to scroll down this page. There are two ways ask for a recommendation. I will tell you one by one so you will totally understand. You just need to click on plus sign and now you can ask for a recommendation and you can give a recommendation. So just for recommendation we are asking for recommendation and here you need to search a people and just click on continue and here you need to select a relationship and here you need to select a position and here you write some lines for your friends or for your boss and just click on send. In this way you can ask for a recommendation, and same way you can also give a recommendation. Just click on give recommendation, search the people name, just click on continue, select the relationship, select the position and here write some line for your friends, for your colleagues and just click on send. In this way you can also ask for a recommendation and you can give a recommendation. And now second way is you just need to write the person name and search here and just click the person name and scroll down. You just need to click on more option and just click on request a recommendation, and same procedure for this. Just click on relationship and select the relationship that is suitable for you and select the position and here you can write some lines and just click on send. In this way you can ask for a recommendation and you can also give a recommendation. Hope you understand. If you have any question related to this then I am available here. Thank you very much.